So set 2 natin, Miss Lilac, or second working set natin. Ito medyo madaming exercises. Tapos focus is yung anterior ng katawan natin. So chest, arms, triceps, and the core, pati quads natin. Okay? So first is full push-ups tayo. Full push-ups is yung sa toes na gagawin natin. Tapos eccentric, yung importante. So bababa tayo sa floor all the way down. Pakita natin later. Tapos meron tayong renegade row, shoulder taps, plank to knee taps, tapos toe taps. Okay? And then last is yung Superman burpees natin. 5 repetitions each lang yon. Tapos pakita natin. Okay, so first push-ups tayo po. So from here, okay, start tayo. Toes up. Tapos slow down. And drop. All the way down. Tapos pwede tumayo. Reset. So, slow. Okay. So, yung goal po natin dito is 5 repetitions. Tapos, yung eccentric, yung pababang movement natin, is at least 2 seconds. Okay? 2 seconds natin pipigilan yung katawan natin pababa. Option natin, and which is better sana, kung kaya natin mag-press pataas. Okay? Kung kaya na natin full push-ups, yung slow, tapos push. Okay? That's way much better. Alright? So, yun po. First, 5 push-ups. Tapos, tuloy-tuloy tayo sa renegade row. Pakita natin. Then, switch tayo sa plank. Alright? Hands under shoulders. Abs brace. Tapos, row. Alright? Top shoulders. Alternate. Iwasan natin masyado nag-twist yung hips. Alright? Tapos, touch knees. Okay? Right hand to left knee. Tapos, left knee to right hand. Tapos, taps. Toe taps. And that is your 1 repetition. Again, pakita natin. So, balik lang tayo sa plank. Row. Okay, the slower the better. Mas mahirap siya pagka mas mabagal tayo. Stop knees. Touch. 2. Again, row. Top shoulders. Then knee. Touch toes. That's your rep. Okay, so ganun po. 5 repetitions ng gagawin natin. And the last one is Superman. Okay, so burpees tayo. Pakita natin. Down. Drop. Okay, so drop po tayo sa floor. Open yung kamay, Superman, para ma-workout na rin natin yung posterior chain natin at the same time. Open, down, reset. Talon po tayo ng as high as you can. Okay po, really mataas yung talon natin sana. Talon. Okay, so that's your 1 rep, 5 na ganun. Tapos, that's 1 set. Okay, so minimum natin is 4 sets to pinaka mas maraming kaya natin. Okay? Mas marami, mas okay pa.